It was inevitable that MODO would gain the power to do larger and more realistic scenes.
Building one shape at a time. And you may remember before I discussed this idea that if you are unable to get the single puff to look right, you're not going to be able to get a cloudscape to look right. And what I meant to say was we want to be careful not to have so many points on here that our cloud ends up just looking like the shape. And so if you like the way the puff looks, and remember that was our goal from the beginning, then it might become a good idea to actually start playing with the size of the puff, as long as you don't lose. So let's get in a little closer here and look at what kind of details we have going on in our clouds, because when we actually animate this, we want to make sure these details move and change ever so slightly. But for the most part, we have a pretty good image here, which makes me feel confident to move forward and continue working on our shape. You as a camera person being on the ground looking up at these clouds. And so for something like that, what we really desire is going to be a very different set of shapes. I mean, it doesn't look horrible. The edges look okay, but because of the layers that we created, it doesn't necessarily work.